Eggman?
That's right. And as the intrepid explorer who first discovered this regal rock, I hereby call dibs.
What? You can't call dibs.
Oh, so now you don't respect dibs. What's next? You gonna allow cutsies, flout the 5-second rule, step on a crack without any regard for your mother's spinal column?
Not cool, Sonic. Of course I respect dibs, but you can only call dibs if you're touching the thing that you desire to dib.
Oh, well, in that case...
It's okay to be nervous, but you got this. Some ponies and dragons will invest in anything. I once sunk a bunch of bits into t-shirts, and then I realized I don't even wear t-shirts. I don't even like t-shirts.
Whew! The training is done. And even though it's not as expensive, I think I'm ready to take on the Apple Vision Pro. Oh, hold on. I gotta take this. Hello?
Hi, this is... We have decided to freeze all your accounts due to your stupid spending. Goodbye.
No! Why would the bank do this to me? Maybe it's because after I was done destroying the Dyson, I didn't want to use my personal Dyson to clean up the destroyed Dyson, so I just bought a brand new Dyson, which probably died like the other Dyson from doing that.
Ugh.
I understand my bank's feelings now. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to properly dispose of your waste. And I'll see you guys later. Wait.
You sure about that, bro?
There may not be a later. I gotta go.